Apple Intelligence Extensions versus Android App Intents. The two leading platform-level mechanisms for letting users route AI tasks across apps and providers. Apple's WWDC 2026 Extensions versus Android's App Intents framework for cross-app AI. In the next few minutes, we cover what each platform offers, how they differ in user experience and developer model, and where the two iOS strategies diverge in 2026. Let's get started. Let's start with quick, precise definitions of each. Here is each one defined in plain language, plus where they overlap and diverge. Extensions exposes Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and others as user-selectable destinations. The user picks where prompts go. Apple is the routing layer. System-wide search or Ask panel triggers the choice. Android's App Intents lets apps declare actions that Google Assistant and Gemini can invoke. The model is more developer-driven. Apps describe their capabilities. The OS exposes them to AI assistants. Apple's design assumption is multiple model providers exist. Users choose. Extensions is the routing UI. Apple is not a model provider in the extensions case. It is the platform. Android's App Intents primary use case is Gemini Assistant invoking app capabilities. Third-party LLMs accessing Android via App Intents is technically possible, but not the design focus. Now, let us turn the comparison into actual decision rules. These are the 4 scenarios that cover most real-world choices. If you believe users will curate which AI model handles which task, Apple's Extensions design is the more aligned platform. Multi-model choice is built in by default. If you believe one AI assistant should handle most user tasks by invoking app capabilities, Android's App Intents design fits better. Google as default assistant is the implicit assumption. Whether extensions or app intents, enterprises need MDM controls over which third-party AI providers' employees can use. Jamf, Intune, and Workspace ONE will support both within months. Apple and Google copy each other quickly. Apple's user routing pattern may show up on Android. Google's app intent pattern may show up on Apple. The platforms tend to converge feature-wise. Let us consolidate the comparison into the points that actually drive your decision. Multi-model curation built into the OS. Single Assistant plus apps model. User-curated versus assistant-mediated. MDM controls over third-party AI providers. That is Apple Extensions versus Android App Intents in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more platform AI breakdowns. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.